What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I am in another car show. I brought OBS here to another car show. Our park right next to another OBS and another OBS here. So I guess this is the OBS parking spot. But of course, mine is the cleanest, right? So I just pulled up here and I'm gonna bring you a little bit of what this car show is all about. I've never been on this side of the this side of town. This is in another town. This is in Gilbert, Arizona. So I'm gonna check it out and see what all this is all about. And I will bring you some footage about today's event. And let's hope that I can find some cool stuff for you. There's a few OBSs around here, and I'm gonna be bringing that to you. So, oh, before I forget, shout out to Brian. I met you over here. I met you at this car show, and yeah, it was great talking to you and your daughter. Good luck with your project. All right, if you guys have any questions, please hit me up, let me know. Cool. So I'm gonna start recording. I'm gonna start walking around, see what I can find for you guys, and yeah, so stay tuned. And here's the OBS looking pretty. Dude, do that 20 seconds. Here we have a Porsche with LS swap. Nice. Pretty cool rides over here, guys. I have never been to this car show. It's not a car show. It's like what is that called? Like Cars and Coffee or something and coffee. I don't know exactly what that's all about, but it's cool. Here's another OBS. We're coming up to another OBS here. He's rocking the same wheels as I am, but I think he's our 22s. Yeah, 22s. This might be an 88, 89. Cool looking truck, man. Cool looking truck. It's got some kind of bed liner here. It's clean. Cool. He's got the door pods on the kick panels down there. Cool. Nice truck. I like those. Not sure if I would put those on mine, but GTR. This is something chill, guys. It's not that crazy, but as usual, I'm the only one playing my tunes and getting people moving and shaking their junk. Taking a break from the truck. The truck is way over there, if you can see it. People are still looking at it. Here we have a Blazer. Nice. Mustangs. There it is. There it is. I'm gonna keep walking around so I can show you more things. See what I can find over here. But yeah, we had That's a cool Mustang right here. Sounds nice. I like it. More Mustangs over here. Crazy looking Blazer. We're gonna go check that out. Let's see. Oh, there's something else over there. Doesn't look like much right now. It looks like a bunch of parts. Looks like a bunch of parts piled together, but it's an actual car. This is a rock crawler right here. Roll cage and everything.
You see this red one right here?
What is this?
That's what.
We even have a Lambo here. No, this is a Ferrari right here. Toyota. He's got 2 Odyssey batteries. I was gonna go with those batteries, guys, but I decided to go with a full throttle instead of those. Supra here, Toyota Supra. Nice. I've never seen one of these close and personal, guys. Nice. Let's take a look at this one right here. Let's see.
It don't work, it don't work. Yeah. That's insane. There's low. We're like, no, we got this one installed for less than 6. Yeah. But we could not touch that. So.
And this is the way I justified it. Not being a Chevrolet person, this is how I justified it. There's more Chevrolet parts on that. You know, more it's
Yeah, let's swap over here. Nice interior, guys. Look at this. GT 350 Shelby right here. Ooh, that thing must be fast. This is looking pretty good. Man, this is like a race car. Nice. What do we have here, guys? Look at this beauty. Ooh, it's got a Coyote. This thing must be fast. That is clean, guys. Ooh. I don't know about the center caps. I would just do with some dome caps instead of those, but hey, it's just my preference, right? Cool. Nice. Nice. Look at this other boat. Beautiful. Cool looking car, cool looking headlights. Look at that. Look at this guy just chilling there. He's about to jump at me. Well, there it is, guys. I walked around and there was a lot of nice cars. This show is not It's not too crazy, it's not too big. It happens once a month, I guess. And yeah, definitely next time I'm gonna bring Big Red next time. I brought the OBS today, and definitely next month. I think this happens once, I believe the first Saturday of the month. So next time I'm gonna be bringing Big Red, so you guys, so all these people can see Big Red. I haven't shown that truck to anyone other than the family and people around when I drive it around. But next time, definitely I'm gonna bring Big Red so you guys can see it, so people can see it and appreciate that thing. It's cool. That's a cool truck too. All right, guys, I'm walking over to my truck, and I already see a lot of people watching and staring and admiring the truck over there. I'm sure they have questions. I'm gonna turn the system on. I'm gonna have a cold beverage, and I'm gonna watch people enjoy the truck. I'm walking over here now. I'm gonna show you. OBS is down there, you see it? Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of today's video. Everybody's leaving now. It's around noon. Next time when I bring out my other truck, I'm gonna try to be here earlier. That way I can you guys can see how it gets early in the morning. It was cool. I hope you guys liked what I recorded, and again, shout out to Brian for coming out and saying hi to me and your daughter. With that said, guys, thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, because there's more. Yeah, so I have like about 45-minute drive home, but I'm happy because I get to drive the truck, and I got to show off the truck. All right, so if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. That's gonna help me a ton. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say other than peace out, and see you guys on the next one.